Imagine a ship, sailing towards success. Everyone on board knows the direction and everyone is rowing in sync. That's the power of OKRs, or objectives and key results. A goal-setting framework that aligns and engages an entire company. So how do we ensure company-wide adoption of OKRs? First, it starts from the top. Leaders must not only understand but also champion OKRs. If the helm isn't on board, the ship won't move. Second, transparency is key. Everyone should understand the overall objectives and see how their work contributes. If the rowers don't know the direction, they can't row effectively. Third, training and support are crucial. Not everyone will grasp OKRs right away, so patience, guidance, and resources are essential. Finally, celebrate progress and challenges. Recognizing achievements and openness, large and small, builds engagement and momentum. Adopting OKRs is like setting sail. It takes preparation, communication, and teamwork. But once you're in sync, you're unstoppable.